Gold coins from 1600 years ago, hidden away, lost to history, and now unearthed in one of the most significant archaeological finds of the year. A team of researchers in Luxembourg just discovered 141 Roman gold coins depicting 9 different emperors from the 4th and 5th centuries. And the value? A staggering $322,000. But what makes this discovery even more incredible isn't just the coins themselves, it's who buried them, why they never retrieved them, and what these coins reveal about the fall of the Roman Empire. Stick around, because by the end, if you're wondering how people today are protecting their wealth with gold, I'll talk about a little-known option that's been helping people for generations. The story begins in a northern village in Luxembourg where archaeologists made this groundbreaking discovery. According to Luxembourg's National Institute for Archaeological Research, the site first gained attention back in 2019 when an amateur metal detectorist found a few gold coins in the area. This led to a full-scale excavation from 2020 to 2024, and what they uncovered was beyond anyone's expectations: a stash of 141 gold coins buried for over 1,600 years. These coins weren't just scattered, they were carefully buried and hidden, suggesting that whoever owned them had no intention of losing them forever. But here's the catch: they never came back for them. According to Rebecca Usherwood, a historian at Trinity College Dublin, this wasn't just pocket change. Most people in the Roman Empire would rarely, if ever, have seen a single gold coin, she told the Daily Express. To find this many indicates the owner was of considerable social standing, like a military officer rather than a common soldier. To find this many in one place suggests the owner was someone of considerable wealth and power. Historians believe the stash most likely belonged to a high-ranking military officer rather than a common soldier. During the 4th and 5th centuries, the Roman Empire was in decline. Rome was losing control over what is now Luxembourg, Germany, and France and Germanic tribes were invading Roman territories. Was this gold hidden by someone trying to flee? Experts believe the owner may have been cut off from their treasure during a battle or maybe a skirmish and was never able to return to recover it. This treasure wasn't just buried in the dirt, it was found at the site of an ancient Roman fortress or burgess. This means the area wasn't just a random hiding place, it was a strategic military location during the final years of the Western Roman Empire. The excavation team also found weapons and munitions from World War II in the same area, requiring the help of Luxembourg's Army Mine Action Service to safely dig up the coins. Now imagine finding a 1,600-year-old Roman treasure while also having to dodge unexploded bombs from the 1940s. Talk about high-stakes archaeology. The 141 gold coins in this hoard were primarily solidus coins, a Roman currency minted in the early 4th century CE. The estimated modern-day value? $322,000. That's an incredible sum, but what's even more mind-blowing is that gold has held its value for over 1,600 years. Think about it. These coins were buried during the fall of the Roman Empire, and yet their value today still remains just as significant. Gold has outlasted empires, governments, and economic collapses, and this discovery is just more proof of its long-lasting stability. Archaeologists are now analyzing the coins to learn more about the people who buried them, how they were used, and what they tell us about the final years of the Roman Empire. The full research findings are expected to be published in an academic journal in the coming years. But one thing's for sure, this discovery has given us a rare glimpse into the past, showing how gold was used for wealth, power, and survival in uncertain times. Now, if you're wondering how gold has maintained its value for centuries, here's something worth knowing. Goldco is offering a free gold and silver kit to help people understand how they can help safeguard their money outside of banks and traditional markets. And here's the kicker: you can even qualify for up to a 10% instant match in bonus silver and a free Ronald Reagan half-ounce silver coin. This deal is first come, first served, so if you want to learn more, click the link in the description. This stash of Roman coins isn't just a cool archaeological find, it's a reminder that gold has been used as a store of value for over 1,000 years. While civilizations rise and fall, gold remains one of the most reliable assets in history. So whether you're a history buff or just someone who appreciates the power of gold, this discovery proves one thing: gold's value is timeless. Stay informed, stay prepared, and keep an eye on the treasures of the past because history has a way of repeating itself.